That is the result of propagating, putting 10 different sticks, just like that. That's what they look like when I stuck them down in there. And I just stuck them, basically stuck them down in there, like that. These are some of the grapes that I propagated from cuttings. And all I did was put some rooting hormone on it, and I used the dip and grow, as I've shown you before. And all I did was paint the nodes, and I think you know what I'm talking about when I say the nodes, the little bumps on the cuttings. I tried to get as many of the bumps, the nodes, down in the dirt as I could, and I dipped it in the dip and grow, and if it wouldn't go down in my little jar, then I would just take some and just paint it on there on the node. They rooted up pretty well, very well. So I'm taking them out. I did about 10 in each of these pots. That's why I say you don't have to have a lot of room. I put 10 in probably a 3-gallon pot, and you can see they got roots everywhere. So I just broke this one apart, and I've already potted those up. These are black Spanish, and you can see these two are just matted together, and I'll separate those and put those in pots. The ones that some of them didn't take, you know, that doesn't have a root on it, nothing. Again, nothing. So not all of them took. That's why I put 10 of them in there, 10 or 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably got 12 or 15 in it, actually. Is because some of them are going to take, some of them are not. Yes, the roots are going to get intertwined. No, it's not hard to separate them. So just go ahead and do that. But I need to go ahead and get these in the ground. But I'll kind of pull at this a little bit, real gently, until they separate themselves. They'll tear a few of the roots, but they, as you can see, pretty massive root system in this ball that was. Look at that. That was, all these were in one little pot like that. That's again, 2, maybe 2.5 gallon pot, 3. And that's, you can see that rooted from 2 different nodes. One on the bottom and then one right there. That's what you really want. If you can get 2 nodes down in the dirt and get it to root from 2 different places, that's what you want. So I don't have my tripod. I'm just gonna that came apart pretty good, and I'll just set that down in there and fill it full of soil. Set that down in another one, fill it full of soil, and again it rooted here and here on those 2 different nodes. And again, let me show you what I'm talking about here. This one was one that was stuck in the ground that didn't take, but had it took, I would have hoped that it would root from that node there and also that one there, but it didn't. But this one did. Probably out of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, I probably had 5 out of the first one. The second one's going to have more than that, going to have maybe 7, 5 to 7 out of 10 or 12. So pretty good percentage considering they're free plants. Okay, black Spanish grapes. I've also got some Champanelle, dark red grape, Champanelle, Champanel, and those root stocks have been in East Texas for 150 years. Is what the guy told me. That they've been in one guy's family for 150 years, and he got them from him. And I put them in the ground. They went crazy. Second year, I got grapes. Anyway, the results. That is the result of propagating, putting 10 different sticks, just like that. That's what they look like when I stuck them down in there. And I just stuck them down in there, like that, about 10 of them. And this is the result about 4 months later. Okay, thought you might want to see it because they sure look good to me. I gotta pot them up. Gotta get to work. Sun is hot. Holy moly! Whew, I'm sweating. Let's get these potters up. We go.